I look really yellow. And I think it's because of the pink background. This is not ideal. What are we gonna do? Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, and if you have been here for a while, welcome back. So today I wanted to do another celebrity inspired look because I know you guys really like those, and I really like doing them because I feel like celebrities just wear such cool makeup all the time, and there's so many cool people who I can get inspiration from. So this video, I'm going to be recreating a look by Halsey. I have it in my phone, but you're going to see it right here or somewhere in the screen right now. And yeah, this is just, I thought it was a super fun, it's really simple. It's just a lot of color on the lower lash line. Everything else is super simple, kind of monochrome, and I thought it was amazing. I thought it was super easy for me and you guys to recreate, and it looks bomb. And it's a little colorful. Purple is also a good color for fall, which is coming up. So yeah, I just wanted to recreate this look. It really spoke to me, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, so from the picture, you can't really tell what she's wearing on her lids, but since the makeup artist went with a glossy product to make it look glossy, I don't want that to be messy on my lids, so I'm gonna go in with something that'll make it look glossy, but that isn't glossy. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Iced Latte eyeshadow, this one right here. And then I'm going to be using a Makeup Geek eyeshadow to tie it into the lower lash line. This is Phantom. I'm using Phantom first, and I'm just going to apply this straight to my lid. No primer, no nothing. That way it'll look a little bit more glossy later on. And since you can't really see the top lid much, I'm not doing anything too dramatic. I'm just applying a light layer. And now to add the glossy effect, I'm going in with the L'Oreal shadow, and I'm just going to apply this on top of that. And that just added like a little bit more oomph to the look, you know what I'm saying? And that is it for the top lid. You're probably not going to be able to tell that I have a lot on because I don't. Let's see if I can reflect with my phone's light. Can you tell it looks kind of glossy, but it isn't really glossy, so it's really subtle. You probably won't be able to see it if you do wear falsies, but the whole focus of the look is on the lower lash line, so that's what we're going to work on right now. So what really drew me in for this look is obviously the lower lash line. It's kind of a simple look, but the purple in the lower lashes makes everything so much better, and it looks amazing. So she used a ton of different products. She did list them in the picture. I'm going to link it below, but I'm going to use different products because I don't have everything she did. So I'm going to start with a base, and I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips Custom Eye Enhancing Eyeliner Trio for brown eyes. That's the name of this. This is just a purple eyeliner. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lower lash line, like all over. And then I'm going to slightly smudge it out. After I've smudged out the purple liner, I'm going to go in with this shadow by Makeup Geek. This is like a foiled eyeshadow, and this is in Caitlin Rose. And she is like shimmery purple on her lower lash line, so I'm going to set the eyeliner with that. But I'm going to be using Phantom, the one that I applied on the lids, on the inner corners, because she does seem to have like a, I don't know, like duochrome moment right there. So yeah, I'm going to set with Caitlin Rose, and then I'm going to go with Phantom on the inner corner. Okay, so after we've applied our inner corner and we've smudged everything out, I'm gonna do falsies. She was definitely wearing falsies and they're part of the look, so I'm gonna do them as well. She had really, really heavy falsies. I'm not gonna go as heavy because you guys know I'm not a heavy falsie person, so I'm gonna go in with my favorite Eyelure wispy lashes. And I'm also going to be applying a lot of my Lancome Mercier Big Mascara to chunk up my lashes. And I will be right back because you guys know I cannot for the life of me put falsies on camera, so I'll be right back, okay? Yeah. I don't understand why my lashes can never be even. It's a real problem. Anyways, before I move on to the rest of the face, I'm gonna line my waterline with the purple liner because Halsey had a little bit of something there, so I'm just gonna do that and then we'll move on. Okay, so now for the face, I have my base already done. She had a glowy foundation, gave myself some L'Oreal Pro Glow. She was using YSL, but I don't have that, so yeah. I used a glowy foundation, a glowy primer, glowy everything, and now it is time to move on to the cheeks. Let's see. She doesn't really seem to have any bronzer, and on the makeup artist's caption, she didn't list any bronzer, so I'm just guessing she isn't wearing any. And she did list like a mauve blush and some super cool like duochrome holographic highlighter, so we're gonna use that today. For my cheeks, I'm gonna be using this Kiko blush Cocoa Shock in Silky Rose and Mauve, and I'm obviously gonna be using the mauve color. This smells amazing. I just put my face on it. I'm just gonna apply this like from the apples of my cheeks and back because that's how she seems to be wearing it, and she seems to have a lot on. So we're just gonna pile that blush on, honey. We're gonna do that. Okay, after excessively running that all over my cheeks, we move on to highlighter. She seems to be quite highlighted, but the makeup artist again listed a duochrome highlighter, so I'm gonna use my Milk Makeup holographic stick in Supernova, and it's this beautiful, cool, like bluey purple. And I'm just gonna hit this everywhere where you normally highlight, and I hope this looks good. After adding that, I think the face is done. I'm just going to set it with my Makeup Forever Miss and Fix. For the lips, she has like glossy pinky lips, but they're not super warm. I love warm tones, so it was kind of hard to find one, but I have my ColourPop Lippy Stick in Squeeze. I think this was like a limited edition, but it's kind of like a little bit of a mauve pink, kind of like the blush, and she seems to have like a gloss over it, so I'm gonna go in with my Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. I don't know the name of this color, but it's kind of like the color she's wearing, so I'm gonna dab this, just like dab it onto my lips. I just hit my tooth, and then I'm gonna apply the lip gloss on top. And this is also really pigmented, so. And after doing the lips, then this look is complete, guys. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really love how the final look turned out. I think it's super easy. It was very quick, minus the lashes because I suck at them. But if you're good at lashes, or if you're not applying any lashes, then this will be very easy for you. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It gives me a lot of feedback, and make sure to comment what you thought of it as well. Or if you have any other videos you'd like me to do, make sure to comment those as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see more of this face, and I think we're done. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next video. What am I doing with my hands? Bye. Mwah.